WeChat is just as important as you having a 60-minute account on your phone. So if you are serious about Chinese importation, so one of the app you will be using is WeChat. So WeChat is very important. So when I said WeChat, what did I mean by WeChat? So WeChat is an online chatting platform, guys, just like we have WhatsApp here in Nigeria. So, and I think everybody uses WhatsApp. So it doesn't matter the country you are. But in China, WhatsApp is not allowed. And why is that? Because WhatsApp is a United States company, guys. So, and United States and China, they are not friendly, they are not friendly with each other. If you have been following the global news in the world, guys. So China and United States are not friendly. And WhatsApp is a United States company, so WhatsApp is not allowed in China. So what did the Chinese government do? They create another app in form of WhatsApp, guys. So and they call it WeChat. But for us importer, guys, so if you're an importer or anything like that, you import from China or you need WeChat, because WeChat is where you will chat your supplier, guys. Some suppliers even prefer to chat on WeChat. Like when you message them on 1688, they might just send you their WeChat QR code that, oh, just talk to me on WeChat, guys. So you should know how important WeChat is, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get yourself a WeChat account. And don't worry, it's just a little step to do. So let's get started. So guys, if you want to have WeChat on your phone, the first step, of course, is to download WeChat. And how can you download WeChat? It's just an easy step. Just go to Play Store or Apple Store if you are using iOS and download WeChat on your mobile. So it is that simple, guys. So when you download WeChat on your phone, the first step is create an account. And how do you create an account? You will create a WeChat account with your phone number, guys. So you will use your Nigeria or Ghana or Kenya, depends on any African country you are or any country you are, guys. So you will use your phone number to create an account. So when you create an account, then you verify your account. So how do you verify your account? You will ask someone that have been using WeChat for more than 3 months to verify for you. And guys, don't worry, guys. I know you might be saying you don't know anybody in this importation space or anything like that. So if you want to verify your WeChat, guys, I will post my WhatsApp number in the description, guys. Just message me on WhatsApp and I will help you with the verification. So the verification, it just depends. Some people verify WeChat accounts like 10,000, 15,000. It just depends, guys. So but if you want to verify for cheap, guys, you should message me on WhatsApp and I will help you to verify your WeChat account. So the next thing I also want to talk about is how to add suppliers and chats on WeChat, guys. So now follow me on my mobile and let me show you how this is done. So hello guys, now welcome back to my phone, guys. So now let's go to WeChat, guys. So here's WeChat, okay. So here is WeChat right here. Let me identify. Oh, sorry. So here is WeChat, guys. As you can see, WeChat. You can even see the logo. It looks like WhatsApp, guys. So it is their own form of WhatsApp in China. So WeChat. So now let's open WeChat. It's loading. As you can see here, I have some suppliers here. So this person is actually a supplier of mine, guys. So you see all these people here are like people we do business with together. So as you can see, transfer accepted. So I do business with all these people, guys. So these are the people I do transaction with, guys. So as you can see, let me click on this favor, guys. So what do you see here? You see transfer accepted. So this person sends me money, guys. So like I say, I do business here on WeChat, and right here this person is, oh, I won't even respond to this person. I don't know, maybe I'll check it after this video, guys. So I have a supplier I do chat with here on WeChat before. So this is my phone, I just get it. because I was using iPhone before, so my phone got lost. So that's why you didn't see my previous chat, because I have like 5 or 6 people I was chatting with, which is like my supplier guys. So now, but now I don't have anything to talk. Like, we don't have anything to discuss. If we have any business, now I'll just go and message them, and then the message will shows in this place, guys. But right now, these are the people I was doing transaction with. As you can see, this one is 625. So it is very recent, guys. So these are people I transact with right now, guys. And as guys, if you notice, you will notice that most these names are Nigerians, guys. So like I said, it is just like a WhatsApp, normal regular WhatsApp, guys. So like I said before, if you haven't verified your WeChat, guys, you can't access this page, guys. So you can only create an account, but you can't be able to chat or use your WeChat because it is not verified. It is not verified. So you need to let someone to verify it for you. So someone that have been using WeChat for more than 3 months, guys. So those are the people that can help you to verify on WeChat, guys. So it is just as easy as WhatsApp. So if I want to chat now, you can say just click here and chat. So just like regular WhatsApp, guys. So the next thing is, like, WhatsApp has status. So this one has discoveries, just like WhatsApp. So if your supplier are posting online, as you can see, this is one of my supplier right here. So I did business with this supplier before, but right now we are not doing business. So if I have any phone I want to buy from this supplier now, I will just go and message her. As you can see, she post. It's just like status. So here it is called moments. As you can see, 53 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago, guys. So I buy phones and laptops from this supplier, guys. So I also have another supplier. As you can see, this is another one here. So I have a lot of supplier here that I message and we talk on WeChat, guys. So the next thing I also want to talk about WeChat is WeChat Pay. So you can pay your supplier on WeChat, guys. Like I said, you can pay your supplier on WeChat. But let's just say WhatsApp now. On WhatsApp, you can only, like, WhatsApp don't have a bank. Let me just put it that way. WhatsApp don't have a bank, but WeChat have a bank. So now let's check my own balance. As you can see here, pay and service. So let's click on pay and service. So as you can see, my balance here, I still have 88 yuan in my balance. So if I want to pay a supplier now, I'll just pay with my balance here, 88 yuan, guys. So it is just as easy as that. And as you can see, you can use it to buy electricity and all. But if you are in China, all these electricity parts can't work for Nigeria and all. Don't forget, this is a Chinese company, guys. So it is not Nigerian company. So you can't use it to buy all your regular data and airtime here in Nigeria, guys. So you can only use it to pay for electricity bills in China. So that's how it works, guys. So before you can open this your pay and service, guys, you need to verify your WeChat with international passports. So like, if you want to be able to chat with your WeChat, you will just verify your WeChat, and that's all. You'll be able to chat with your supplier there. But if you want to open a WeChat bank, which means you'll be able to save money on your WeChat, then you will need to verify with international passport. So if you don't have international passport, you can ask a friend or brother of you to help you verify, guys. And don't forget, it is not important. The most important thing is you to verify, which is by verifying your WeChat without you using international passport. Guys, don't let me to confuse you. So what I mean is that if you want to open WeChat bank, which is the pay and services part, guys, you will need international passport. But if you don't want to use this part, you will always verify your WeChat, that's all, so that you can access this page. So guys, another thing I also want to tell you is that you need to be careful, guys, when using WeChat, guys. Some supplier can still scam you. For an example now, let's say you don't have pay and services, which means you haven't verified with your ID card, guys. So you only verify the QR code. You only verify your QR code. And now you have access to WeChat, but you don't have access to pay and service. So guys, you can get scammed. Yes, Why? Because now if you want to pay a supplier on WeChat now, you can only ask the supplier for the QR code, guys. So when you ask supplier for QR code and the supplier send you is our QR code, then you will pay, which means, and how will you pay? You can pay with your Alipay, or you can tell someone to help you to pay. But just know that you doing that, you are making an offline payment. It's just like you on 1688, guys, that you just message your supplier, then ask the supplier for his Alipay account, then just pay. So that means you are using an offline payment when you pay through that way, guys. But if you want to use online payment now, so it's just easy. You just tell supplier, you can just tell the supplier that they should send you the QR code. So when you pay in your WeChat, guys, so that means that payment has a record. So the supplier can't scam you. If the supplier tries to scam you, you can report that person to WeChat, and the person will get his or her account banned, guys. So that is one of the benefits of you verifying with international passport. But still, if you don't have international passport, guys, you can message someone that they should help you to message your supplier, then they can pay using an online payment, guys. So they can pay using an online payment. That can also works. So don't get scammed. So don't get scammed. You need to know that. Another thing you should also avoid so that you won't get scammed is that, let's say you are chatting with your supplier now, and you're asking your supplier for a video call, and the supplier refused. The supplier can tell you that like he or she is not at work right now, maybe tomorrow you will do video call. But the supplier refused, that is saying doesn't do video call, it doesn't do any of that. Then you should be careful. And also, if the supplier doesn't have a profile picture like this now, you can see this person has a profile picture. So if the supplier don't have a profile picture, like this person now doesn't have a profile picture, but I did business with it because I know this person personally, so that's why you can see I have business transaction with it. This person too, I have business transaction with this person because I know them personally. So, but if you don't know the person personally and the supplier doesn't have a profile picture, then you should be scared, guys, because you might get scammed. You need to be careful, guys, when using WeChat, just like any other app, guys. So, and that's all. So if you want to add a contact, you just go to this contact page, and then you will see your friends that are using WeChat, then you just add them. That's all, guys. This is also one of my best supplier, guys. I buy wristwatch from this supplier. Like, he is so good. All his watches are good, guys. So I do buy a lot from this supplier then. But right now, I've stopped buying watch because I'm into other stuff too. So I buy another stuff now. So that is all you need to know about WeChat, guys. And as an importer, it is one of the app you need. You need WeChat, guys. So guys, if like I said, if you want to verify your WhatsApp, guys, so just message me. I have put my WhatsApp in the description, guys, so send me a message and let me help you verify. So guys, now you know about WeChat, guys, and also I also want to tell you something. Like, some supplier actually has WhatsApp, like they uses WhatsApp, guys. So they access WhatsApp using VPN. So it is kind of slow. So you might message some supplier in the morning and the supplier might reply in like 2 or 3 days. Like I said, they are uses VPN to access WhatsApp, but it is illegal, guys. So if you don't want any ID calls, anything like that, you can just message them on WeChat, guys. And why WeChat is also important is that there are some offline store. For an example now, there are some stores in China, like they don't have online store like all these 1688 supplier. No, they are not online, guys. So they are offline. Let's just say there are some people that went to China, that Nigerians that went to China, and then they get their number, that like they get their number and then they add them on WeChat. For an example now, let me just say, you see, when you go to Balogun market and then you see a big company that, let's just say, they produces t-shirt, guys, you're just like, oh, give me your number so that I'll be buying t-shirt from you. So you met them on 1688, guys. So it is one-on-one convo. So there are some suppliers like that you can only message them on WeChat, like they don't use this WhatsApp, guys. So WeChat is very important. Then there are some products that you will buy, it will have like MOQ of 50 or 100. it depends on how large the supplier is. You can only message this type of supplier on WeChat. So, and one thing is that when you message them on WeChat and do business consecutively, guys, you will have a track record with that supplier. So in no time, let's say in like 1 year or 2 years, that you and the supplier are doing business consistently, guys. So it will get to a stage that the supplier might even be giving you products on loan, guys. On loan, yes, you get it on loan. For an example, let me say this. You know all this Igbo culture, guys, that they will bring a brother from village, that they will bring them to, let's just say, Lagos. Then they will help them for like 7 or 8 years. Then they will now establish them, right? So you see this form of business, they do start them with loans, guys. So now let's say I'm into importation business now. So I don't import, mm, let's say laptop. So I'm selling laptop at Ikeja, guys. So and I do buy a lot of laptop for my supplier. So let's just say for an example, I do buy like 200 pieces of laptop every single month for my supplier, guys. So now I have a track record with my supplier. So if I want to set my brother up now, let's say my brother have completed his 8 years serving me. So and I want to establish my brother. So I will just message my supplier that I need like 500 laptops. So I'll be paying small, guys. The supplier will agree. Why? Because you already have a track record with your supplier. So that is one of the advantage of WeChat, guys. So you need WeChat. So with that, your brother can also start selling laptop on loan. Then when he sells, he will repay. When he sells, he will repay. So that is just how to do business, guys. So you don't really, sometimes what you just need is information. Everything is not about money. Sometimes it is information. What you have in here, you will see some people that will like they will be dealing with millions, and in that millions they won't even have like 1 naira of their money won't be in that millions, and they are controlling millions. How did they do it? They are using other people's money to make money. So that's just how it is. You just need to know all these things, then you'll be able to make money online, guys. So that's just it. You don't have to complicate things, guys. So that will be end for today's video, guys. And if you like our video, guys, please make sure you like and subscribe, guys. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.